Hello and welcome to the garage, guys. Today we'll be reviewing a car cover as winter's coming along and we want to protect our vehicles that sit outside. Let's get started. Alright guys, here's the car cover. So you can see it comes in a really small size package actually. It's kind of surprising. Here's my hand compared to it. Let's go ahead and break into this. Here's the car cover. It looks like it's... Oh yeah. So this one should fit the Mustang, I believe. It comes with a nice protective bag. And the reason why I went with this one was because it should be good in the winter to protect against the water. Let's see what it looks like. It's very compact. I'm actually really surprised. Nice. Oh, it even comes with a lock. Wow, look at that. I can't believe that. It even has slots for the mirrors. That's so cool. Look at this. I can't believe that. So it comes with a lock, so nobody steals it, so you can sit outside if you live in an apartment complex. And it has mirrors and reflectors on it. Wow, this is way nicer than I thought it was going to be. Wow. Let's go ahead and get this thing on the car. Here we go. This cover's pretty big. Here, let's stretch it out again. Check this out. It might fit the truck, honestly. That's what we were just saying. So yeah, it's pretty, like, he's all the way over the, yeah, we can cover up both cars. Well, let's see if it fits on the Mustang, and then we'll try it on the truck too, see how it fits out. We just got it on the car. Bear is stretching it out. Check this out. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, it fits perfectly. It's got reflectors on the mirrors. Is that mirror on, Bear? Nice, dude. Look at that. This is super nice. Oh, and then it's got a bungee on the back.
Missing the buckle.
Are we?
Yeah.
Missing a buckle. So that's one of the only things that we're missing for this thing. But yeah, it fits perfectly. Look at that.
It's an easy thing to go get.
What?
It's an easy thing to go get. We could also go scour the ground and see if it came off.
Yeah, I'm sure it's in the box or something. It's got 2 clamp downs. It comes with a lock. Looks great. Fits really nicely on this Mustang. Just kidding. Bear was lying. He found the buckle. So I want to do a water test on this thing too. Let's dump some water on it, see if it goes through, because that'll be the ultimate test for winter, right?
Oh, yeah.
So let's try that out. All right, we got some glasses of water.
Cheers.
We're going to throw it on the car cover, see if it's really waterproof like it says. I feel like you got to test it out. Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at that. Just bounces right off. Wow, that's really cool. Look at that.
So good, it even got on my pants.
Nice. Yeah, looks like it's pretty waterproof.
That bead, man.
We're gonna pull off the front and see if it went through the cover. Because if this, I don't park my Mustang in a garage. And if this really reflects water like that, we go through?
Completely dry.
Completely dry. Awesome. So we couldn't figure out how to lock this thing. I'm sure we'll figure out eventually. I'll post it in the comments. Guys, I'll link this cover in my description with a discount code. So if you are interested in getting one, I mean, honestly, one of the nicest car covers I've seen. I mean, it's been 30 minutes and this water is still beating off of it. It doesn't absorb any water. It's fit perfectly for the Mustang. And guys, if you haven't already, make sure to give me a subscribe if you like this content. We pretty much constantly post. I just finished my Batavis moped up, which is pretty sweet. I wish I had done some videos on it. Here, take a look. We clear coated over everything to give it kind of a resto mod look. I got this new seat for it today as well. It turned out really nice. So like I said, guys, if you haven't already, make sure to give us a subscribe. We'll see you next time. Back at the garage.